Hey, good morning, guys. Praful here. Welcome back. Thanks for joining in. Today is the 15th of September, the weekly expiry. And because I was traveling for the last couple of weeks, I was not able to record any live trading videos. But I hope that from here onwards, like I will be able to record all the expiry sessions, including FinNifty expiry. ठीक है मैंने FinNifty expiry पे भी I've planned something. With that way, probably I'd be able to record some FinNifty expiries for you guys. So talking about this, like of course, like after the yesterday's carnage on the gap downside and then the carnage on the call side, so the market has opened in a range now, and we had decent premiums according to me. बोल नहीं सकते अगर रियलाइज्ड वोलेटिलिटी बढ़ जाती है तो इवन आई विल बी रॉन्ग बट एज ऑफ नाउ वी हैव ऑलरेडी कैप्चर्ड लाइक मोर देन 4 पॉइंट्स 4 पॉइंट से भी थोड़ा ज्यादा ही कैप्चर कर दिए हैं. Now, if you look at it, all my calls are at 18,200 and my puts are spread across 17,900 and 17,950. Majority of the puts are at 17,900. Now, idea क्या रहेगी? Look at this. The puts still have decent value, and if you look at it, the market is holding near the top. But what these put options, what these call options, 18,200 call options are indicating is that there is a huge bet. There is a huge bet on this level 18,100 level not to be taken out. तो अगर मार्केट फिर से एक बार 18,100 लेवल को क्रॉस हो जाती है तो these puts are going, these calls are going to expand like crazy. तो दैट इज वाई अभी मैं कॉल्स को 18,150 के आसपास में रिस्क ऑफ नहीं करने वाला हूँ एंड वी हैव ऑलरेडी मेड लाइक गुड 40K ऑलरेडी. एंड नाउ अभी देखो वी आर ऑलरेडी अबव 18,000 लेवल्स. तो अभी मैं क्या करूंगा, इसको मैं निकाल के तो प्रोबेबली आई विल कीप द स्टॉप लॉस लेवल्स एट 21 नाउ. The put option still have a lot of value and यहाँ पे मेरे को support भी नजर आ रही है. So because of that, I won't be too quick in making any adjustments towards the put side. But यहाँ से अगर ये resistance हो गया and suddenly market नीचे आ गया, then most probably all these put options might go through the roof. So as of now, we are in a very favorable situation. यहाँ पे मेरे को 18,150 पे मुझे लेके आने का चांस मन नहीं है. But if I find an opportunity where I can push these calls to 18,150 from 18,200, I'll definitely do that. But as of now, plan में नहीं है. Time is 10:33 and from a positive mark to market of plus 40K, I am at a negative mark to market of 20K. So क्या हुआ मार्केट में? Of course this happened and the puts just overreacted and even now they are overreacting. तो जैसे ये डे लो ब्रीच हो जाएगा then probably I might have to roll down my puts again. अभी फिलहाल के लिए my puts are at 17,750 and calls are at 18,100 which is 150 पॉइंट दूर का कॉल and 200 पॉइंट दूर का puts है. But yes, look at this, the mark to market is climbing up. So the idea is I let this puts to spike up to somewhere around 14 तक मैं इसको छोड़ूंगा. 14 के बाद इसको मैं रिस्क ऑफ करूंगा. Till that point probably I'll be, my mark to market will lead further if there is no compensation from the call side. But yeah, I just have to make peace with it. As of now I'm down 3 points from actually plus 6 points, so actually we lost 10 points from the top mark to market. Time 11:32 है and we are back above water, plus 3 points पे चल रहा है. When we broke this low, so I was expecting some amount of fierce gamma spike, but that didn't happen. The put options didn't break the high that they had made prior. Of course they came just up until their highs and वहाँ पे मेरा stop loss push out हो गया था, but still I managed to take a re-entry as well. So as of now the calls have lost quite some value and the puts are trading at around 15-16, so probably I might have to get out of this puts. But strong red candle form हो रही है. I'll be waiting till this green candle gets taken out. तो अगर वो टेकन आउट हो जाता है then probably I might have to get out of this puts as well. तो जब तक ये 17 टच नहीं होता है I don't have to worry too much. But जब ये 17 टच हो जाएगा then probably, because अभी इस अपमूव में ना the puts have lost ton of value, काफी ज्यादा value puts खो चुका है and the calls haven't gained much. तो कॉल्स ज्यादा गेन भी नहीं करने वाला है because I've kept my calls above 18,000 levels, which is quite decent considering this 18,000 now will be definitely acting as a great resistance. The market is trying to kind of make a W pattern and head up from here. So I did take some additional credit on the calls in the down move, but as of now, probably if it reaches somewhere around 14.5 or something, I'll be risking it off. As of now, decent compensation from the puts and we are decently up. The idea is to stay on this position for as long as we can. As far as this swing is concerned, and as far as this lower candle ka low is concerned, the option should not spike much. If at all it starts spiking, probably I'll take some additional credit from the call side. So after the first initial down move, काफी disastrous था, but after that, since the premiums were good enough, so it's a decent place to be at. So currently I'm quite happy with the way I've managed the position. देखेंगे क्या होता है, and if the puts start to spike about 10, probably I'll just risk it off and I'll call it a day, because like दो तीन तीन रुपए ऑप्शन पे भी बैठूंगा तो probably I'll realize like 1.5-2%, and probably I'll try to collect some extra credit post 2:30 3 o'clock के आसपास कुछ extra credit लेने का सोचूंगा. But till that point I'll be okay with trading this way. And there is a huge amount of call side skew. If you look at it, 18,000 call is 70 points away and it's trading at 13 rupees, and 17,850 puts is 80 points away, it's trading at 7 rupees. So huge skew on the call side. So I'll be a little careful on the put side now. If the market starts to head down, these puts will be the ones which will start to gain a lot of traction. So I'll be careful once this candle का low starts to breach. जैसे मैंने कहा, in order to scare the put writers who had shorted the puts at dirt cheap prices, तो definitely यहाँ पे एक fall आ गया, and that included me as well, because मैंने puts को काफी हद तक ऊपर shift किया था, and that was to compensate for my bleeding calls. But जैसे options 11-12 के आसपास वो पहुंचना शुरू हो गया, I sensed it and I got out at decent prices. 11.5, 12.5, 13, 13.5 तक मुझे जाना पड़ा. And now that these call options are gaining again, so अगर ये 10 पहुंचता है तो then I'll be just shifting it to 18,050 and I'll be playing risk covers अभी इस प्राइस पे, because इस मोमेंट पे ना ए से नीचे और ए से ऊपर मोमेंट पे the puts have lost a lot of value, and अभी मेरे को कोई दिलचस्पी नहीं है कि I'll take some additional credit on the put side. So as of now the puts just got crashed in the value, so I'll wait for these 18,000 calls to reach somewhere around 10. तो 10 पहुंचता है तो I'll shift it to 18,050, and from that point onwards I'll work it out. Guys, time is 3:15 and market अभी close होने को आ रहा है, and the mark to market is somewhere around 96-97,000. अभी 1 लाख के आसपास चल रहा था, but the puts are kind of spiking at this point, and जब तक ये 30 rupees touch नहीं होता इसका average, तब तक these puts are okay. These are like just the momentary spikes. So I'll be tracking this 17,900 ka put option, which should not break like 30-35. After that, probably this might start to be dangerous, but as of now it's perfectly fine. Yeah, as you look at this, like we have made around 1 lakh, and the funds used are somewhere around 85 lakhs, so close to slightly above 1%, and बाकी और 1 rupee है बाकी, and I'll be collecting this most probably, because this ये जो normal spikes जो है, it's because of people's stop losses getting triggered. I don't think like this should have any value by the end of the day, because ये 20 rupees पे चल रहा है. For this 17,850 to have even 60 पैसे value, this should be 50.6 rupees. तो समझ रहे हैं ना बात, तो वैसा है. So I'll be ending the day with somewhere around 1.1 lakhs. यहाँ पे 1 lakh हो गया है, and another 1 rupee left in it. So I'll be ending at 1.1 lakh, and considering how the day turned out, I think I'd take that outcome, because 84,000 तक मैंने already 12 बजे के आसपास था. Somewhere at this point I was already at 84,000 is 1 o'clock के आसपास. Then it broke the day's low and then pushed me out, and from there a steep reversal, and then it looked like a breakout, and from there it came down. So it's the markets are all over the place. With 120-130 rupees ka premium, the market already fell like 250 points from the top, and from there 860 to 950, 950 to 860. So this 100 point ka range mein the market has moved almost 6 times. 6 times, right? If you take this range, ये range में 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 times ये रेंज पे मार्केट बना दिया है. 7 times 100 पॉइंट के रेंज में मूव किया है. इट मीन्स दैट अ टोटल स्विंग ऑफ 700 पॉइंट्स. तो एब्सोल्युटली हॉरिबल मार्केट्स. अभी एक्सपायरी में मतलब ऐसे पहले जितना आसानी से पैसे मिलता था उतना तो अभी है नहीं, बट we'll try to stay afloat as long as possible because देखो this is an option buyers market. आप कहीं पे भी बॉटम पे आप ऑप्शन बाई करते हैं तो इमीडिएटली डबल, इमीडिएटली डबल, इमीडिएटली डबल, इमीडिएटली डबल. आप कोई भी ऑप्शन चार्ट ले देख लो, both puts as well as calls, both the calls have doubled at least thrice or 4 times and the puts have doubled at least 5 to 6 times. So that has been the market. And yeah, I think nothing much अभी already हो गया है, like this 20 पैसे it will just like decay it off. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully from this point onwards I'll get to make uh, live trading videos as regularly as possible. I'll try my level best. And yeah, आपका कैसा expiry रहा comments में बताओ. And yeah, see you guys, bye bye.